Thinking about using TrendSpider to step up your trading or investing game? You're in the right place. In this 2026 review, we'll break down everything you need to know, from TrendSpider's core features and tools to its strengths, limitations, and whether it lives up to its reputation. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this guide will help you decide if TrendSpider fits your style and strategy. Let's jump in. TrendSpider is a trading platform built for active traders and analysts who prefer automation and fast strategy testing over manual technical analysis. Its main strength is saving time and removing subjectivity from charting by using advanced automated tools. TrendSpider works as a trading partner that upgrades charting through automation. It automatically creates smart trend lines and heat maps, removing the need for manual drawing. The platform also includes a sidekick assistant for quick chart insights and strategy questions. Traders can use no-code backtesting to test ideas on historical data and set up trading bots for automated execution. Seeking Alpha's premium plan, $239 per year, is ideal for investors. Offering strong quant ratings and expert research, the $1,920 per year suits for active traders, giving access to the Pro Quant portfolio and exclusive high-conviction ideas. That concludes our 2026 deep dive into TrendSpider. A look at what it offers, where it shines, and where it might fall short depending on your trading needs. Use these insights to weigh whether TrendSpider matches your goals, risk tolerance, and preferred approach. Thanks for sticking with us. And here's to smart decisions and successful trading ahead.